Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this very simple no foundation makeup. It is mostly because we have a lot to do today and I don't feel like redoing my makeup. There will be some heavy lifting and all of that fun stuff. But yeah, so this is the look we're going for today. So if you want to see how I did it, just keep on watching. So as usual, I'm starting with brows, and like I've used in my last couple of videos, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Beauty Express for brows and eyes. And next I'm going in with the NYX HD Studio Photogenic HD Concealer. No, HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. And I'm putting this underneath my eyes and my lids. And next I'm going in with powder, so I am as usual using the Lumene Sheer Finish Loose Powder. And next I'm taking the Nubian palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going in with this color right here. I'm putting this above my crease. And next I am going in with this darker color. I'm putting this in my outer corner. And next I'm going in with this foiled eyeshadow from Effect. And this is in the color Y0036, I think. Well, Y0036. And I will be applying it with my finger. And now I'm going back in with this darker color, and I'm putting it on the outer portion again. And now I'm going back in with the dark shadow, and I'm putting it below my eye. And next I'm just going to take this color and put a bit on it on top of the foiled eyeshadow we applied earlier. And next I'm going in with the Emotion Allowed mascara by Icona Milano. Let's just leave it there for a while. Next I'm going in with the Infinity palette by Hallberg Cosmetics. And I'm shading my face using the colors Mafe and Cigar. And I'm going in very lightly since we don't have a lot of makeup on our face. So it will really show if we don't go in lightly. If we do like we would normally do, it would definitely show, but this is very subtle. it works. Next I'm going in with blush, so I'm using the color Andromeda. And for highlight, I think I'll be mixing the colors Virgio and Milky Way. Like so. And next I'm going in with the Pixi by Petra Brow Tamer to get these eyebrows under control. And for lips, I think I'll be going in with this NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in Honeymoon. It might look a bit too dark, but I'll try it, and if it doesn't work, I'll just take it off and go with my own lips. And that's it. Let me just remove this spot from my face, and I think take my hair down, and I will be right back. So this, you guys, is the finished look. It is obviously very simple, very fast. The only thing that like took time is like blending all the colors on your eyes, but it's a very simple look, and I enjoy simplicity, so that's why I do a lot of simple looks. But anyways, if you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up and to leave a comment saying what you thought or what you want to see next time. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!